Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to my humble home. I'm very grateful that I can share with you today my latest purchase from Louis Vuitton, and it's one of the classiest pieces from Louis Vuitton. It's Speedy Bandouliere 25. I'm fortunate enough to have this purse in 3 different canvases, and this is my latest purchase. It's Speedy Bandouliere 25 in canvas monogram. So let's just go straight forward to unboxing, and then after quick unboxing I'm gonna do my modeling shots, and then if you want to stay with me a little bit longer, then I will go in some of the details of this bag. Let's just pull this beautiful box. Absolutely fantastic packaging. Maya say she's absolutely fantastic. I always enjoy having a conversation with her, and just general visit to Louis Vuitton for me it's always a little celebration. So standard magnetic box from Louis Vuitton, and here we have the piece. And this is true unboxing. You can see that the piece is being bended, how they usually package the piece inside the box. So let me just package everything for you. Put a little bit the dust box away, and this is the Speedy Bandouliere 25 in the monogram canvas, and frankly this is my favorite size of the Speedy. Obviously I love Speedy 30, but for every day I find this size is absolutely perfect. Also, never forget about your own frame, height, etc. I'm fairly on petite when it comes to the height. I wish if I could be on a petite when it comes to the measurements of the chest you know, and the hips. So as I said, I'm 5'3" and I'm about size 6, so I'm a little bit on the curvy side. So I find that Speedy 25, it's absolutely perfect size for me, and it's carry all my essentials for the day. I have all my Speedies with the bandouliere. I think this is one of the cleverest things that Louis Vuitton house did, because once again, when the Speedy was introduced, obviously a century ago, people had different lifestyle. Obviously we didn't have, like, you know, cell phones, we didn't have to drive car, so right now pretty much every person needs both hands free while you're doing something. So having that options of putting crossbody or putting on your shoulder is absolutely fantastic, and it's making these pieces extremely versatile. What I love also about this piece that it can be very, very casual, but at the same time, if you want to be dressy, like for instance today I'm dressed in a dress, so I can go for a meeting with my clients and it still looks absolutely fantastic. The combination of the color, like, you know, darker and lighter, once again it's absolutely great. And the great things about that you can actually use it in the coldest time of the year, but it would be also very appropriate for the summer month. For instance, when it comes to my Speedy Damier Bean, obviously it's more of the winter and fall piece. I feel it's kind of doesn't really suit for summertime. I mean, nothing wrong if somebody likes this purse and wants to rock it in the summertime, nothing wrong with that, but it's my very, very humble opinions that, you know, that purse more suitable for winter months. At the same time, azure print, I feel that it's more suitable for the summertime. The great things about this piece that it's extremely versatile. You can wear it in all 4 seasons, and you will get a great use and great bang for your money. So let's talk about the measurements. In the length, it's 9.8 inches or 25 centimeter, hence the Speedy 25. In the height, it's 7.4 inches or 19 centimeters, and in the width, it's 5.9 inches or 15 centimeters. And to me, it's absolutely perfect size. It's looks absolutely great with the carry just as a handle. It looks absolutely great carrying on your shoulder, and crossbody also it looks absolutely fantastic. Let's just look at some of the details. On one side you can see imprint of Speedy 25. It says 25 right there. It says Louis Vuitton Paris. It doesn't say made in Paris on mine because it's made in United States. The other side is just a clean strap with the D-ring. There is a lock and the key that come in with this bag. I keep my key in little pouch inside. There is a shoulder strap, extremely comfortable and soft. It consists of 3 pieces. Clasps also have engraving of Louis Vuitton. You can detach all 3 straps and make it as a crossbody or the shoulder bag. Pulls also have engraving of Louis Vuitton. The lock has engraving of Louis Vuitton as well. Inside there is a brown interior with 1 pocket inside, and the pocket has a zipper on the newer models. There is also 1 D-ring inside that you can hook your mini pochette or keys. And the date of manufacturing on this bag is SD 1148. It means it's made in United States in the 14th week of year 2018. So I've been talking about all the positive things about this bag. So let's just say, is there any negative? Is there any cons to this bag? And the only one con I could say it's vachetta. Some people get a little bit nervous about vachetta because obviously with the time it may look a little bit unclean, let's put it this way, if you use it really heavily, and especially if you apply lots of lotion or creams on your hands. So obviously, especially the handles may get extremely patina. It's extremely aged, let's put it this way, extremely worn out or aged. So, and other con could be that sometimes if you're not wearing all the pieces at the same time, they could patina not evenly, and it's not to everybody liking. The other, once again, negative, I would say it's about the opening of the bag or mouth of the bag. Sometimes it's really difficult to retrieve or put some larger items. So, but I kind of figured this almost to the science, kind of like, you know, pushing on the side, managing in that way, and so far it works out for me really nice. For my other bags also I ordered some more organizer. Some people don't like to have organizers in their bags. I personally do, because though it's quite small, when there is no organizer, I find it just like a black pit. You kind of have to, like, you know, fish everything out before you find the actual items that you're looking for, especially if, let's say, you have all Louis Vuitton small leather goods, so then it's pretty much you're fishing one by one by the time you find actual piece that you need. But overall, I love this piece, and I'm just absolutely fortunate to have all 3 prints from Louis Vuitton in Speedy. And I'm hoping to add more in my collection, maybe Speedy Tour. We will see what's gonna happen. So thank you very much for those of you who actually watched my video all the way to the end. I hope to see you on my channel again, and to our next meeting, to my next video. Bye bye.